In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Pipedrive. If you send similar emails again and again, using templates can save you a lot of time and help keep your messaging consistent. Whether you're following up with leads, replying to common questions, or sending outreach messages, templates make the process much faster and more organized. To get started, open Pipedrive and go to your sales inbox. You can also begin from a deal view or a contact view, since the template creation option is available from those areas as well. Once you're there, click on New Email to open the email composer. Inside the composer, look for the option called Choose Template. This is where you can access your existing templates, but since we're creating a new one, go ahead and click Manage Templates. From there, select Add New Template to open the template editor. Now you can start building the template itself. First, enter a clear name for your template. It's a good idea to choose a name that will be easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create several templates for different situations like follow-ups, introductions, or check-ins. Next, choose the visibility setting for the template. You'll typically have the option to make it private or shared. A private template is only visible to you, while a shared template can be used by your team. Choose the option that best fits how you want the template to be used. After that, write your email subject line and then the body of the email. Keep your message professional, concise, and easy to personalize when needed. This is also the stage where you can insert merge fields. Merge fields are especially useful because they automatically pull in information from Pipedrive, such as a contact's name or other saved details, helping your email feel more personal without requiring manual edits every time. As you write, make sure the template reads naturally even when those fields are inserted. That small check can make a big difference in how polished the final email feels when it's sent to a contact. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your template is now stored in Pipedrive and ready to use whenever you compose a new email. The next time you create an email from your sales inbox, a deal, or a contact, you can simply choose the template instead of writing the message from scratch. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve speed, consistency, and efficiency in your daily workflow.